Hi, and welcome to Knot Spot. Yet again, I'm going to show you a useful knot. If you watch through the video, at the end, I will show you a way to carry your ropes in your pockets without they tangle together. So I start with a Prusik knot. You make a loop, take your working line around the standing line into the loop and over. You do that. You want to do that twice. Again, around, like that. Then you would go behind the standing line, around and back through the loop. And you want to tighten. Just work the knot together. It would look like that. There you go. You have a nice Prusik knot. Useful for camping. Tighten up your tarps and tents. You release. And you can tighten. So I promised you another quick one at the end of the video. I'm going to show you the daisy chain. You start with a loop. You go and take the standing line back through the loop. Tighten like that. You do that once more and you keep doing that. And it will be a chain. And it will end up when you're finished like that. So you keep it in your pockets. It won't tangle. When it's finished, it will look like this. And when you need it, you just pull the ends. There you have a rope ready to use. Thanks for watching. Have a nice one.